Ever wondered why you end up spending more than you planned every time you open your favorite app? Today, we're diving into the sneaky tricks apps use to quietly nudge you into spending more money. From shopping to food delivery, these apps are designed for profit, not just convenience. Get ready for a fast-paced look behind the screens. You'll never see your apps the same way again. That buy button, it's not just there to help you, it's placed, colored, and animated to catch your eye and make you click. Every pixel is optimized to make spending feel easy and fun. This is not an accident, it's a science. Let's see how these digital masterminds work their magic. Picture this, you open a shopping app and instantly see flashing deals, food apps with mouth-watering images and pop-ups for subscriptions. These fast cuts are designed to grab your attention before you even know what's happening. The goal? Get you excited and ready to spend right from the first second. Ever seen a countdown timer ticking down or a banner screaming, "Only two left"? That's fake urgency in action. Apps create a sense of scarcity and time pressure, making you feel like you'll miss out if you don't buy now. But here's the secret. Most of the time, the urgency is totally manufactured. It's all about making you act fast, not smart. When you see "only one left" or "offer ends tonight," your brain goes into panic mode. The fear of missing out kicks in and suddenly you're rushing to buy. But in reality, there's often plenty of stock or the offer will be back tomorrow. Apps use this trick to make you spend before you think. Let's talk about one-tap checkout. With saved cards, Face ID, and one-click payments, spending money has never been easier. The less friction, the more likely you are to buy on impulse. Apps remove every obstacle between you and that purchase, making it almost too easy to say yes. With just a tap, you can buy anything, no time to second guess. This frictionless experience is designed to encourage impulse purchases. The easier it is, the more likely you are to spend without thinking. It's not about helping you, it's about helping their bottom line. Ever started a free trial only to realize later that you've been charged for months? That's the dark pattern of subscriptions. Apps make it super easy to start but nearly impossible to cancel. Hidden buttons, confusing menus, and auto-renewals are all part of the trap. You sign up for a free trial thinking you'll cancel before you're charged, but when the time comes, finding the cancel button feels like a maze. Apps hide these options on purpose, hoping you'll give up and keep paying. It's a classic dark pattern, easy in, hard out. Cashback points, streaks, badges. Apps love to gamify spending. Every purchase feels like a win, even if you're just spending more. These rewards are designed to keep you coming back and spending again and again. It's not just shopping, it's a game you're meant to lose. Getting a little money back feels great, right? But often the rewards are tiny compared to what you spend. Apps use this illusion to make you feel like you're saving when you're actually spending more overall. The game is rigged and you're the player. Did you know you might pay more than someone else for the same item? Apps use your data, location, device, even your shopping habits to set prices just for you. It's called dynamic pricing, and it means you never really know if you're getting the best deal. Every click, search, and purchase you make is tracked and analyzed. Apps build a profile of your habits to predict what you'll buy next and how much you'll pay. The more they know, the more they can charge. It's all about maximizing profit, not fairness. You might think you're making free choices, but apps guide you every step of the way. From what you see first to what's hidden at the bottom, every detail is designed to steer your decisions. The illusion of choice keeps you spending while the app stays in control. Bold colors, bouncing buttons, and flashy animations aren't just for fun. They're carefully crafted to grab your attention and make spending feel exciting. These visual cues create a sense of urgency and reward, nudging you to spend more without even realizing it. Push notifications are like digital taps on your shoulder. Sale ends soon, or you forgot something in your cart. These messages are designed to pull you back into the app and keep you spending. The more you see, the more likely you are to give in. Ever notice how your favorite products always seem to appear at the top? Apps use your data to personalize what you see, making it feel like magic. But it's all part of the plan to get you to spend more often. Seeing reviews, ratings, and bestseller tags makes you feel like everyone else is buying, so you should too. This is called social proof, and it's a powerful motivator. Apps highlight these cues to make you feel confident in your purchase and less likely to hesitate. Notice how apps never use complicated finance terms. Everything is simple, friendly, and easy to understand. This lowers your guard and makes you more likely to spend. The less you think, the more you buy. Every trick we've seen, from fake urgency to gamified rewards, is designed to keep you coming back. The more you use the app, the more you spend. It's all about retention, and every feature is optimized for it. Here's the good news: apps aren't evil, they're just optimized for profit. Once you know the tricks, you can spot them and take back control. Awareness is your superpower. Next time you open an app, you'll see the game and you'll be ready to play smarter.